Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm that doll guy, and as promised we have another Barbie Extra doll number 3 that we received from Walmart.com for, I believe the price was $24.88 or $24.99. So this is my second one. I returned one because she had a funny dot on her lip and my OCD kind of just couldn't handle it. So we have a new gal. So this is her in the package. We're going to be taking a look at her today. First, her in the package. I gave her a very close-up look. She does have a little speck on her nose, so I'm hoping once I get her out, I'm hoping that I'll be able to clean that with like a Q-tip or something. Hopefully it's just like a little piece of dust. And I see one of her barrettes is a little bit cockeyed, so I'm hoping that can be fixed too. Those are the things that drive an OCD person like me absolutely bonkers. But her face looks pretty good otherwise. Again, hopefully that little, I don't know if you can catch it on my thing, but there's a little speck there. I'm hoping it's just dust. Anyway, oh, focus, focus. Okay. So, the packaging is really cool. Like I said in the last one for doll number 5, I do like the artwork. It's reminiscent, like I said, of an artist. I should have looked this up in between videos. But she did artwork on the Batgirl comic right after the New 52. And that looks like her artwork. But the packaging is nice. It's very bright, very cheerful, which is something we all need right now. With everything that's going on, we definitely need bright, cheerful, glittery things. We just need fun, cute things in our life. So I like the packaging. I like how it's just kind of carefree, fun, not taking itself too seriously. I think that's super important, especially when it comes to Barbie. Sometimes I think they take themselves way too seriously, especially with the fashionistas. That's a whole other conversation, though, for another time. But this is just kind of getting back to just hopefully something fun, or hopefully moving in a more edgy direction. As we talked about before, Mattel, they're competing with LOL OMG dolls and those Rainbow High, which are kind of funky. So I think they're trying to propel Barbie forward, to be more edgy, a little bit more daring, not so safe all the time. They're still riding the safe line, I mean, her makeup isn't anything too crazy, but her hair is cute. It's kind of like if Flava's married my scene, married fashionista. I mean, that's what I kind of compare it to. But anyway, so we're going to crack her open and take a closer look. And we are back from our unboxing. And if you happen to notice some slurping sounds at the end of the first segment, that was my dog drinking water. She was gulping very loud, so it just, to me, sounded weird. Don't know if the camera picked it up, but I guess we'll find out. But if you hear weird noise after the first segment, that's Maisie Lynn getting some water. But anyway, so we have unboxed our gal. And like I said in my previous video for number 5, I like to show dolls their best. So sometimes they have box hair and stray hairs and dust on their face and stuff like that. So I like to kind of tweak them a little bit before we do the review. And I think that's fair because we can't, they crank thousands of these out a day, whatever. So, they're gonna miss some things, but we as consumers who love our dolls are willing to kind of put a little bit of love into them, so that's what we do. So let's look at her. Oh gosh, my lighting. There we go. That's better. So here's her out of the box. She had a few stray hairs over her face, and I was able to fix her little cockeyed barrette. She'd had some stray hairs all in her buns, her space buns. And so I took some tweezers and just plucked them and kind of got them all out without disturbing the buns too much. But then what I like to do is I like to take a very strong hold natural fine mist hair finisher, and then I like to just set, even though these space buns have product in them, when I monkey with it and try to pull stray hairs and things like that, I want to make sure that they maintain their integrity and it gives them a little bit of shine. So I take just some light misting. I don't remember the brand that I have. It's in my bathroom. And I bought it just for doll hair. It's a fine misting, all natural setting spray. And I kind of just douse the buns so they have that shine. They stay in place. Any kind of stray hairs that I might have tugged at are snugly inside there and secured. And that little bit of dust on her nose was just dust, so I'm happy. I feel like she's totally perfect. My OCD is loving her. So let's talk about her. So she does have the pixelated face makeup. I don't know if I can get too close to it for you to see. It doesn't look bad on camera. Doesn't look bad from far away, but close up, oh Lord. If you take close up shots, if you're into doll photography on Facebook or Instagram, that pixelation is going to show up like nobody's business. So maybe with like some, oh God, my focusing, come on. Maybe with some effects or whatever, you can maybe minimize the look of the pixelation. But she comes with her handbag, her clutch. It's a piece of candy. And what I do, like, for people who don't know this little trick, to get them to hold their objects, like, I don't know, purses, handbags, clutches, or umbrellas, or whatever, I like to take a piece of Stickum. You can get this at any hardware store. It has their fingerprints in it. You can just take some of that Stickum and you can kind of just roll into a ball and kind of stick it onto their hand, and then they can hold their stuff. So I do that. That's how I do for, you know, photography, things like that. I just use Stickum for various things to make things so they can looks like they're holding their objects. You guys have probably heard about her gummy ring. It's very cute. I usually take all the original bands off of things. Left the original band on this one for now. I'll probably take it off later. I like dolls in their natural state as much as possible. I know that sounds funny because I tweak the hell out of them with their hair and clean them and wash them and get them as looking close to promo as possible. And then I say, oh, I like them in the natural state, because sometimes the natural state out of the box is a mess. But anyway, what I really like about her is her bling. I like her silver hoops. I like all the extra necklaces. I don't know if she has any bracelets. I don't think so. The number 5 surprised me with a couple of cool bracelets. But I do like the hoops. You don't see hoops very often. And she's edgy. You know what they say, the bigger the hoops, the bigger the, well, you know. For those of you who know that, you know what I'm talking about. She has a silver lame kind of, I don't know if it's like a just a shirt or if it's kind of like a one piece, you know, I don't know. And then she has these little denim star printed fringe jeans, and then the winged little boots that kind of tie in with her little pet pig. And when you include a pet in a doll, I'm done. Like, take my money, because I think pets are so cute. We'll get to the pig in a minute. I'm in my last video for the number 5. I was sad because it cut off my review of her puppy, and the puppy is so cute. It reminds me of my Chihuahua Maisie. Her sunglasses are just the same ones that you saw in the Hello Kitty fashion pack with the red dress with the white collar, but, you know, it works for her hair. She is funky, she's fresh, she's fly. Totally cute. I'm not sure if she's super edgy, but I think she's super cute. She has the crimped hair in the back. Mine has a bad case of box hair, real bad. And it was all jankety, so I don't know if I'm going to do anything with it. I might try to fluff it out, but I don't like to disturb the crimps too much because I think it's too cool. And of course, her focal point is that pink, huge pink, fluffy jacket. Love it. It's lined on the inside with like a satin type material. Let's see if I can get in there without tipping her over. Kind of satiny like lining. I'm keeping these little jiggers in there. I'm going to keep those fasteners in there because I want to always have the coat be open, show, you know, whatever outfit's underneath. If I were to snip those and take them out, then the collar would fold down and you wouldn't see all of her cool stuff. I don't like to I just put her sunglasses on top of her head because I don't like to mess up the hairstyle. And I don't like to, like, maybe scratch their makeup. So they don't wear sunglasses much in my collection. Then we have the little piggy. It's very cute. Mommy's World. Oh, she was right. These accessories don't stay on super well. The wings do. They're just, oops. Oh, piggy. Come on now. The piggy is very shiny, and it has, the wings stay on well. But mine had like a weird greasy substance or something on its head. I don't know if that's to kind of like make the ears, or I mean the unicorn horn stick on better, or what it was on there for, but I washed it off. I washed it with soap, and then I did a rubbing alcohol to kind of just get any residue off, and then washed it again. I don't know what that was, but I didn't like it. So anyway, this is the Barbie Extra number 3, and she is definitely that doll guy approved. I really like her. I like her more than I thought I would. So I just have to wait for my number 1 doll to come. I'm not sure if I'm doing 2 and 4. I'm not sure yet. But these 3 are my favorites, so these are the ones I'm going to be reviewing. So you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend, and if you have a chance to check these out, please feel free to do so at Walmart.com. I believe they are being released maybe today to stores, maybe to Target and Walmart. So look for them and pick out which one speaks to you, and have a good day.